We'll guide you through how to insert a micro SD card into a laptop. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. These micro SD cards are common in cameras and phones, and you've probably got some files on here you want to go and start accessing. Maybe you want to go and transfer them onto your laptop and go and share them from here. Make sure it's this full guide and don't go and skip ahead. Without any other further ado, let's go and get started. So perhaps you've gone and looked on your laptop and you've gone and found that you don't go and see a slot for a micro SD card. So on this laptop here, we do actually have an SD card slot, but obviously that's for a SD card, not a micro SD card. So to go and insert and then access it, what you can do is if you've got an SD card slot like I've got here, you can go and get an adapter like this. We'll link the different adapters we're showing you down below to Amazon. Those are affiliate links which support the channel at no extra cost. And as you can see, you can then go and connect there. If you don't have an SD card slot, you can go and get the adapter and a USB adapter. So the SD card will then go in there. You can actually get one of these that goes straight to micro SD. I'll link them down below as well. So what I'm gonna do here is go and put in the adapter, and then I'll go and grab the micro SD card and go and slide it in like so. Come to the bottom and open your file explorer. Come to the left and go and press this PC. If it doesn't go and appear, I'm just gonna go and unplug it and then go and put it back in. There it is. I can then go and double click on it and go and access the files on here.